Hi Glammies, Nicole Francisco from Glam LifeTT, and today we'll be making a wig. We are featuring hair from Elfin Hair, and we'll be making a 5x5 closure HD lace wig. In this package, we got a 5x5 HD lace closure, which are already customized. The knots was bleached, the lace was tinted, as you guys can see, and I already plucked it, so it's matching my skin tone. And this closure is 20 inches. We got 3 bundles of 24 inches straight hair to make our wig. And as always, we got a brush, comb, and eyelashes. So let's get started. First, we're gonna take our closure and place it to the center. Now you could place it to the side, left or right, depending on how you want your part. I most definitely go with center parts. I am making my wig on a spandex dome cap. So we're gonna place our lace about 2 inches before the cap. That's to create our baby hair. So now I'm going to start sewing my closure. I always start from the center, go all the way to the front, and then do the same thing on the other side. After attaching our closure, we're then going to attach our first bundle. So we're going to start sewing on our first bundle, and I'm doubling the width of our bundle so I could get a thicker unit. Use T-pins as my guide and pin my bundles on before I start sewing. So you want to really pin that on the base. You have to be very careful when you're sewing on the base because you don't want to sew the elastic too tight. Next, I'm going to go in with another bundle. This time I'm going to keep this bundle single. So we added 2 bundles, and we're about to add our third and final bundle. Hi Glammies, now that we have completed our unit, we are going to add elastic band clips and cut out the cap from in front. So the serum I'm using today is ORS olive oil, and I'm just going to put a bit all in between the hair. Then I'm going in with Chi as my heat guard protector. Hi Glammies, now that we finish our HD lace 5x5 closure unit, I'm about to apply it glueless. So have you noticed that this unit I had on was glueless? Comment below if you noticed. So I'm going to take out this unit and apply our unit we just made. Completely glueless. We're now going to apply our HD lace closure unit. I'm going to start by putting it on my head and attaching my elastic band to the back. It's quite simple. So we just cut the lace off and I'm about to add some baby hair. This hair and closure was from Elfin hair and it's a 20-inch closure, HD lace and 24-inch bundles. We use 3 bundles. I am definitely in love with the quality. Like the lace is barely visible if you even seen it, and it's glueless. So I'm gonna add a few baby hairs. Hi Glammies, hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as Rankin Production and I enjoy recording it. Like us on Facebook and Instagram, Rankin Production and Glam LifeTT. Bye!